What are you going to draw for us?
Daddy.
Daddy, okay.
And did it do picture? There.
Is that Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty. It's gone. Now draw Mommy. Good job.
It's you.
Yeah, it is me.
Dear.
That's awesome, Sally.
It's your butterfly.
My butterfly? Cool.
You make a butterfly.
Yeah. Make a butterfly?
Uh-huh.
Here, let me see. Let me make one. Butterfly. Is that pretty?
Mommy and Daddy and Selby.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
Are you climbing on me?
Uh-uh.